able to go to college is pretty expensive, and that keeps some people from furthering their education. But the Assistance League of the Triangle wants to help students who might need a financial boost in order to pursue a degree. On Sunday in Raleigh, $145,000 worth of scholarships were given to 34 college students. To be eligible, students must live in Wake, Durham, or Orange counties and attend a North Carolina institution.
We have 2 or 3 students this year who will be first-time college students from their families. So that's impressive to us because it looks like we're changing a pattern when we're able to do that. And some of them would not get a chance to attend college if we were not able to support their needs.
Students can also reapply. This year, 5 students will receive their 4th Assistance League scholarship as seniors.